100,000 years ago, at least 6 human species walked the earth. Today, only one remains. Why us? That's the central question driving Yuval Harari's global phenomenon, Sapiens, A Brief History of Mankind, and his answer might surprise you. Harari argues that what set Homo sapiens apart wasn't our strength or our tools, it was our ability to tell stories. Gods, nations, monies, human rights, none of these exist in nature. They're all shared fictions, and these fictions allow us to cooperate in massive numbers and dominate the planet. He traces this journey through 3 seismic shifts: the cognitive revolution, the agricultural revolution, and the scientific revolution, showing how each one reshaped what it means to be human. It's sweeping, it's bold, and endlessly thought-provoking. I really enjoyed this book. Some critics say Harari oversimplifies, and I don't think they're wrong, but I couldn't help but be impressed by the sheer scale of ideas packed into this book. If you've ever wondered how we went from foragers to rulers of the world and what that really cost us, Sapiens is essential reading. Recommend.